Visuals coming in of the Prime Minister. There you can see on your screens the Prime Minister Narendra Modi in Wayanad. He is at the hospital and he is speaking to the survivors of the Wayanad landslide tragedy, also paying tribute to those who have lost their lives in that landslide. Prime Minister Modi, remember, is in Wayanad. He is going to be taking stock, or rather he is already taking stock of the situation in the aftermath of the landslides which devastated Wayanad. Remember, as per the latest update, over 420 lives have been lost in the natural calamity. The Prime Minister today had arrived in Coonoor, and after that he went to the landslide hit area. He also conducted an aerial survey to take a stock of the situation on ground. And right now, as we see, the Prime Minister is at a hospital, at the same hospital where the injured have been admitted. He is obviously having a conversation with them, asking about their well-being and also taking stock of really the situation there. Remember, Prime Minister had earlier conducted an aerial survey of the landslide hit Wayanad. He had reached today at the Kerala airport, and after that he was received by the Chief Minister, and then it was the Chief Minister who accompanied the Prime Minister in that aerial survey. In fact, he also received updates from the rescue teams later regarding the evacuation process, spoke to the people at the relief camp, met families of those whose lives had been uprooted, the survivors of the Wayanad landslide tragedy, and now he's at a hospital meeting and conversing with all the victims and the survivors. Jayalakshmi, my colleague, is joining us live on the broadcast. Jayalakshmi, take us through the latest visuals coming in.
Yes, you can see on the visuals Prime Minister Narendra Modi talking to people out there in the relief camp, the hospitals, visiting. He had initially, as you said, conducted an aerial survey. He was in the chopper and he was accompanied by Chief Minister Pinarayi Vijayan. They had explained, the state government had explained the intensity of the landslide that has been hit, and he took the stock of the situation. And now we know that he also went on ground and went to the place where the landslide was hit, Chural Malai area. That's where he exactly went, and he spoke to people there. The government officials were there. He was accompanied by ADGP Law and Order Ajit Kumar, and we had a Chief Secretary of Kerala State, V. Venu. He was there. CM was also there. Everybody was explaining to him the intensity of the on-ground situation. And explained him how the rescue operations was taking place. After which he now also is now currently meeting the victims of the entire the landslide, and he's meeting the survivors as well. He's taking again talking to them, trying to understand what they went through, and trying to understand their current emotional status, also their well-being as well. Are they properly getting all the relief materials which is being provided to them? Is there any shortage of them? He's again talking to them and getting to know the current stage of the survivors. And now we also understand that after this he will be chairing a review meeting where again with the officials he will sit and discuss the entire landslide, how the entire landslide had unfolded, and how did the rescue operations take place, what were the measures that were done by the state government, both center and the state. And now again the major thing that will be discussed will be the next course of action that is being planned by the state government. And obviously we know that the state government has been demanding some relief measures from the center as well. So that is something again we are waiting for the Prime Minister to declare. Will Prime Minister declare Wayanad landslide as a national tragedy is something that we're all looking upon. That is one of the major demands by the state government had put forward, that to declare Wayanad tragedy as a national landslide tragedy, as a national calamity, and so that will help them get all the monetary relief fund that they are expecting from the center, and that will also help Wayanad to come back to normalcy. We know how the students right now, as of now, all the schools have been washed away. So definitely the education system is at halt right now. The schools are not functional. So these are the major things that will be talked upon in the review meeting that is going to be held after this. They will discuss what the next course of action is going to be, how it is going to take it forward to make the rehabilitation, and where will the people stay after this. Right now they are at the temporary relief camps. They'll probably discuss about the houses, the materials, how the rehabilitation where they will be accommodated, or what are the relief materials that will be provided both by the centre and the state. So these are the things that will be discussed in the review meeting, and state government, as we know, that has demanded, centre relief fund so that, after declaring this Wayanad tragedy as a national calamity, they are expecting some fund on that basis as well. So this is something again that the state government is expecting, that once Prime Minister realizes how drastic or how intense this tragedy was. We have lost over 400 people. 420 is the official count. The dead bodies were being recovered. Body parts were being separately recovered, and they were being cremated. So again, that is something, that explains the intensity of the entire situation. So these are the things that the state government expects the Prime Minister to understand, and then probably take a decision on whether or not to declare the Wayanad landslide as the national calamity, and then accordingly there will be relief measures that will be provided by the centre. So these are the things that the state government is definitely expecting the centre to do.
After the aerial survey, the Prime Minister, we can see meeting the victims of the Wayanad tragedy, the survivors, taking stock of the situation. You said the next step is going to be a very crucial review meet where the focus will be on the rehabilitation process. Could you tell us a little more about that? Jayalakshmi, can you hear us?
Yes, I can hear you.
Yes, Jayalakshmi. So the question was that after meeting the landslide victims, their families, the survivors in the hospital, what next? The Prime Minister, we believe, is likely to hold a crucial review meet where he'll be focusing on the next step, the rehabilitation process, which has been undertaken by the state government, and also looking at how the centre can help.
Yes, certainly. This is what we understand at this moment, that right now he has left those hospitals and relief camp. Now the Prime Minister is going to hold a review meeting. He will be sitting and having all kinds of discussions with the state ministers, the CM, and Kerala governor is also there. So we understand that at this moment there will be a review meeting where the next course of action will be discussed. How this district of Wayanad will come to normalcy. It is a huge tragedy, as we all saw. So many lives were lost. People are not having proper ways to, get back to their normal life. They need a house now. They need the education system needs to be restarted. The entire life in Wayanad has to be restarted all over again from the scratch. So these are the things, and for that they need money again. So these are the things that are expected to be discussed in the review meeting that will be chaired by the Prime Minister and the state cabinet as well. So they will be sitting and discussing. And as I was mentioning that, state government expects the centre to provide some relief fund and declare this tragedy as a national tragedy.
Yes, you're talking about the national tragedy tag, which has been demanded by Rahul Gandhi and also by the Congress. So there's a lot of politics happening on the same. Jayalakshmi, why don't you stay with us? Viewers, our colleague was just talking about, how the Prime Minister's visit has also triggered a political storm. The opposition has been doubling down on their demand for the national disaster tag, and that's what we're going to be focusing on. That's what the opposition, including the Congress, is also demanding. In fact, the left government in Kerala also demanding the same. Now, this is, Lok Sabha LOP Rahul Gandhi, who is at the helm of this demand. He's taken to social media already. Rahul has thanked Prime Minister Modi for his Wayanad visit, but has also written that he would like to see the national tragedy or national calamity tag for what has happened in Wayanad. There's a lot of politics happening on the same. Reactions coming in. Let's listen into those.
बहुत हम धन्यवाद करते हैं प्रधानमंत्री जी का, इस बार जा रहे हैं इसलिए उनका धन्यवाद है। और हम लोग बहुत तकलीफ में हैं, वायनाड का लोग, और राहुल गांधी जी और प्रियंका गांधी जी वहां जाके देखे आए, 2 दिन वहां रह के सारे चीज का देखे आए हैं। और उनसे भी हमारा उम्मीद है सेंट्रल गवर्नमेंट से इस चीज का नेशनल कैलामिटी से घोषणा करने के लिए प्रधानमंत्री इस विजिट का बात वो करेंगे, ऐसे उम्मीद है। प्रधानमंत्री खुद जाना ये बहुत महत्व रखता है।
It should be automatically done. The way this government also had expressed the concern about calamity fallen in Wayanad, that concludes itself that PM is going to announce it and that it is of a serious and problematic place and needs special help and relief. I think Prime Minister should do it, in fact.